Hi. I'm gonna document all the struggles. I have been living in this house for more than 25 years. I moved in here since I was 2 years old. So this room has seen so much. It hasn't been through anything. What I mean through anything as in like cosmetically, like changes or painted. This room was last painted since the 90s. I think since the day we moved in here. So in this video, I'm going to like remodel the room. If you were to see the condition of this room, it's disgusting. We have boogers, we have blotchiness, I don't know what stains there are, dust, repairs that didn't work out. So this is the design I'm going to do. I've already ordered all the things, now it's just to execute it. It's gonna be a while, right? This is my first attempt. So I bought this it's like LED 3 colored light. I'm gonna test this. I only bought one. I'm gonna see if it works. Can't lie, I'm nervous. Never done this before. Oh, my plant is coming up. Let's take this out. Let's see what we have here. The thing is, I cannot see anything. I think I need to take this up. How do I take this up? That's the question. Oh, okay, I can take this up. Okay. Oh, okay. It works the same way as the light I bought. It has a spring thingy. There you go. Here. Alright, I'm gonna make a mess, but it's fine. Okay, I got this out. Oh my god! Where's my tools? My test pen. Oh my, okay, it's okay. Trying to figure out where's live, where's neutral. Just need to push the cable out. Or is it part of the fixture? I got it up. Apparently it was attached to the thing, not to the... Anyway, so I have to figure out how to attach this to this. Neutral is red, right? Live is green. Let me look it up for a while. Live, neutral, black, red, live. Single line. So it's 1, 2, 3. Black is neutral. Okay. So this is live, neutral, live, neutral. So you have to go like this. Live is neutral is black. Yeah, neutral is black. Should I expose this wire more? Should I take this wire out? I should put this down. Do I have to press something for it to come out? I'm so confused. Just watch me trying to figure out shit that I don't know. I think I need that thing, you know. Yeah, I probably need that thing. Blue is... Huh, I think it's the other way. Oh. Okay, I saw the right diagram. I already figured it out. So the wiring in-house is the old kind of color code. It's red and black. And the new one is blue and brown. I already put it all together, so I'm gonna see if it works. Great success. Okay, now I have to go get more of this thingamajig, more of this connector. Yeah, okay, should take a picture so I can replicate everything for the rest of the room. Skill level up. Damn, I know I could do it, but it just took me a while to figure it out. Then I'll push it in. Ta-da! There you go. Hey, it looks good. 3, 2, 1. So it's a tri-light. It's a bit bright. I'm so proud of myself. Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. If you don't try, you never know. So what I got is drywall putty, self-adhesive tape, and screws. First I gotta cut that. But I think I need to take out that light first before I do anything. I can cut into this. What I have is this. Yay. So I bought a different light from the other one. This is a Philips dimmable. The other one was like stupid different. Because stupid means never did research. So that light is non-dimmable. And this is Wi-Fi dimmable. So hopefully this fits. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm scared. Yep, definitely need a bigger hole. For now, you live like this. Bro, I can't even go in, sir. Workmanship. Okay, not die. I mean, it works, but it doesn't fit. Okay. I need to patch this up. I'm not prepared for this job. What if I start with this first? Should wear a mask. Wear a mask, guys. New tool. This is an impulse, but I actually need it, and I have been thinking about it, whether to buy or not. It's a multi-tool. I'm glad I'm documenting all this frustration. I just cut it out. The thing that I was obsessing about yesterday, that wood thingamajig, I cut it out. Now it's all level, but now I gotta figure out how to patch this up, because this wall, I'm gonna move this somewhere right in the middle here, and I'm gonna cover this up, I need a drywall, so I have to figure that out. Now I'm gonna learn how to patch drywall. Also, yeah, I have to drill a bigger hole because this light fixture is bigger than the hole, and I have to do for all the 4 of the lights. I guess we'll start. Also, they say you can cut wood with multi-tool. They lied. Now I'm gonna cut this and check again if it fits. Alright. Everything's mixing. And to vacuum it up. I gotta cut this piece of wood. Okay. Progress. So this is a spare piece. I really like test fit the wood and it fits, which is I'm happy. Something is going my way finally. Yeah, so this piece is going to be on top and then screw that piece into that piece. You catch my drift? Are you picking up what I'm putting down? I don't know what I'm doing. Whatever works, works. So is that piece. So this is going to be there. Slot into that. So I've cut here. This piece. So it's a bit flush. So I've cut this piece and I put the dowels in there like that. There you go. I have a piece. Good job. Oh shit, I got one more cut. It's like 3 days of footage with this angle. Next step, compounding. Next lesson from YouTube University or party. I don't know what I'm doing. Can't you tell? Alright, so what's the plan? I think I should measure out this. I want to cut a hole, right? So I need to find out the center. 28 inch. 28, so 24 inch. 24 is mathematics. It's 14. And then depth. This is in centimeters. 10 inch. About there. So the diameter of the light fixture is 2.5, right? 2.5. Dangerous. 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 See the line? Kinda works. Okay, first drill. There you go. Okay, now I need a string. So what I'm trying to do is like make a knot. This is already like an anchor point. So I pull out the measurements, right? And just turn it around so it makes a circle. So I have a guideline. Gotcha. Here's the pencil. Uh-oh. Bro, I'm making a golden ratio. I need to tie. It's more complicated than anything. I mean, it's working, but it's not evenly rotating. Kinda. Oh well, time to. So the hole has been cut. I think I'm just gonna buy the drill bit. You know what? I'm gonna take a break. But I did it. I cut a hole. Yay! Progress. Not taking a break. I already patched it. We're Gucci. Now, the real deal. The biggest learning curve. First one in. Now, this piece over here. Oh, problem. Because this piece is like taller than the drywall. I need to do this first. How janky will this be? There you go. Yay! Great success. Yahoo! Not the best job, but jolly good done. Look at that. Sheesh! I just gotta plaster it up and make it level. I look so rough. Alright, I'm done with this. It's an okay job, but I just wait for it to dry. I mean, you're not gonna see the back there, just this corner. I need to sand down. I mean, so far so good. For a first timer amateur, if you stand like far away, it's not bad. I'm still thinking if I should shift this there. I mean, like, see that is there, right in the middle there, and that is. I don't know why they do that. It's so weird. Also, why do you put a light right at the window? Should have just put it there, down near the wardrobe. So weird. Alright, next phase. I'm gonna do all the fixtures first. So I'm gonna cut bigger holes for the lights. And then I think I probably just move it to the center. Might as well. Then we can prep the ceiling slowly but surely. And I have to figure this out as well. This fan thing. Now how do I anchor this? Because the new fan anchor, it's very different from this old one. Yeah, a lot of things to figure out. finally done. Alright, I have to connect the light because it's Wi-Fi controlled. So I have to do this. Okay, the light like pulse. Okay, that's one light. So I have to connect that one. And like Bluetooth on, continue. That one, I'm connecting to that one. Smart pairing, manual pairing, switch off. Okay, done. Please wait for 1 minute until the double pulse. Tap start. Which one's yeah? Anyone, I guess. Hey! I got second light. This light. I am so happy. Dang. On. Yay! Yes! Great success. Okay, now it's time to sand. See all that? You see all that patches on the wall? Seriously, look at the difference. I forgot to show you the water from the cleaning. It's disgusting. I'll show you the next round. Now the room is done. Time for the switches. From this to this. The entire thing is a switch. Which is cool! No, my camera. So it's been a couple of weeks since I did much to my room. After I painted everything and put everything together, and then I waited a couple of weeks, probably months. Then I started putting on the fan and then mounted a bicycle. I wanted to put vinyl floorings, but then I thought about the cost and everything. Then yeah, it's gonna keep rising all the amount. So I stopped there. How much did I spend? Oh, I haven't even calculated the cost of it. I procrastinated to put up the fan, procrastinated put up the bicycle mount. I don't think I'll be doing any more. Will I do it again? No, absolutely not. It took so much time. But I like the outcome of it. It looks nice. The patch on the wall, I don't know how to get rid of it. But yeah, I like the outcome of it. It could be better, but it is what it is. Thought I'd give you guys a room tour. Okay, so we've come in from the door. That's the door. I removed all of the stickers except for that one. I haven't done anything much afterwards. Yeah, here's the bag of plastic bags for my trash and all my pants. And then come from here, all the things I need to sell, my penny board and some of other things that I haven't used. My foldy bicycle is the bicycle mount, and there's my helmets and stuff. There's some storage, corner desk with all the miscellaneous stuff. Under here we have some storage as well. There's my desk, 2 monitor setup, and cable management is quite okay, but you cannot see. Let me put some light over here. Yeah, there you go. Okay. There's the cable management. But if you stand like right over here, you can't even see much cable. From there, this corner, all the guitars. Some of it is not mine, some of it's mine, and that I still have yet to do. I was supposed to bring it down so it's like all the way, and this is the problem I'm facing. I don't know what is this fungus? Let me know if you are aware of this. And then this one is the wardrobe. I was thinking of putting on wallpaper, like this walnut kind of wallpaper on this, but I've yet to do it. I still have the leather there. And towel situation, I was thinking of putting a towel rack over there or there. I'm still deciding. It's still an ongoing construction. That's most of it. And that's the bed and storage under the bed as well. The fan, I did it myself. It's kind of janky at the top. There's the elbow and my santai plate. That's it. Cheers.